Hi everybody, this is Queen Esther. I hope that you all are having a fantastic day. Welcome my royal family. So today I'm going to be showing you a quick natural hairstyle that I did last week and I got a lot of compliments from it. And my residents requested that I keep my hair the same because apparently I'm known for changing my hair all the time. First of all, I know I look crazy. Believe me, I know I look crazy right now. But at the end of everything is gonna look perfectly beautiful. But this is part of me being very real with you all. So this is what you get when I'm all natural. No makeup, no picture perfect. This is just me being natural, and I hope that you get to enjoy that, hopefully. But right now my hair is already sectioned in 4 and I have my side part together, and it's just a little bit wet, just a little bit wet, a little damp right there. So I'm gonna stop talking and just show you guys how I do a quick twist and with rollers, and how it's gonna look tomorrow morning. Beautiful and ready to go to work tomorrow. So let's start the video, or let's start the hair. I don't know which one. This is my first hair video, people, so forgive me. It's not gonna be perfect. And since I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I'm gonna use the camera as my mirror. Alright, I should probably start from the small one first. And this should take probably about, hopefully not more than 30 minutes to do. And honestly, it doesn't have to be perfect, just enough to go by. And depending on what how tight you want your curls to look, then will really depend on the size of hair that you get. And I'm just using olive oil, just coconut oil, not olive oil, coconut oil. For the front, I'm just gonna do a little twist in the front, but the back sections will be will be more bigger size. I don't like to go that down. See that? So now I'm gonna take my rollers and really just that, and I just roll. I mean, you can roll that. Alright guys, so I am done putting the rollers in with my twist. So it's quite easy. I mean, it took me approximately about 20 minutes to get this done. You don't have to do it as small as I did it. You know, you can you last week I did like 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 20, and I was done. This week I did a little bit more in the front because I wanted a little bit more defined curls than last week. Of course I did not video it, but you know, since I got a lot of compliments, I was like, oh, let's do this. So this is how I'm gonna go to bed tonight. I'm just gonna put my scarf on. For the fellas out there, yes, we do put our scarf on to go to bed. Sorry, we all don't look Victoria's Secret pretty. You know, to go to bed. This is how we look, especially when we get our hair done. So, yeah. I'm just going to do this. Ooh, do I have enough space? Do I have enough space? You don't want to do it too tight neither, because I don't have to wake up with a headache. Oh, look at that pretty girl. Look at that pretty girl. You know, you have to call yourself pretty when you're like super natural. No makeup, nothing, eyebrows not done, lipstick not done. But I still look pretty. Still look pretty. Oh, the beauty that God has given to me. Thank you, Father Lord. You know, you have to kind of psych yourself up and just pump yourself up with so much compliments. Alright guys, so this is done. Again, it's not really wet, just a little, so it's not gonna be dripping on my bed or my pillow rather. Just a little to kind of like get it looking right in the morning. And I did not roll it really tight because again I do not want headaches, so I just wanted something that will hold it, give me a little curls. I'll look a bit more pretty tomorrow with my natural hair. So I'll show you guys in the morning when I get ready. Alright, see you soon. Alright, good morning. This is a bright new day. I'm almost late for work, so I'm gonna take out this hair and hopefully that it comes out right. I like to just moisturize my fingers a little bit with my Cantu hair dressing moisturizer. So just kind of make my fingers a little bit moisturized so that it would kind of take out the hair for me smoothly. So I'm gonna start with the front and just pretty much taking the rollers out first. See those curls? Let me come closer a little bit. As you can see, I am so late. It's not even funny. Because yours truly was trying to different makeup, different eyeshadow today. So I need to leave the house in like probably the next 10 minutes. Man, I could actually take my hair like this, people. So pretty much, I'm just gonna do this. And just take it out. I'm just pretty much untangling back the twist that I did. So that we could be a little bit more full. Again, my fingers, because now I'm gonna like really use my hand. And if you want to put gel in this little section on your edges, you can. I think I might do a little edge control. Let's see. Actually, no. I really don't like using a lot of edge control gel on my hair. It's just me, but I know a lot of people like to do that. See, it didn't take me that long to take this out. Huh? Look at that. I'm just really moving it around to kind of like give me the length that I want and how I want it to really lay down. I'm just gonna put just a little edge control, and I'm using the olive oil edge control, like really little. Again, a lot of people put a lot. I just don't really like those things a lot. All right. Now I don't know how the back looks, so hopefully that the back looks good. I'll look at it in the mirror when I get to the bathroom. Look at that. I'm ready. All right. You guys tell me how the back looks, because I really don't know. Hopefully that looks okay. I'll go look at the mirror. Voila! I'm ready for work. Get our jacket on. And we'll be good to go. Right back. Oh, we need earrings. Hold up. So we are all ready to go to work. I have my suit on, my jacket on, and my hair is good. Look at that. Again, you can use comb and kind of like puff it up a little bit more. I just really like to use my own hand. It's kind of just what I like. I like it to come out just a little bit out. And you just have to really play with it until you get what you really want and how you want it to look on your face. Okay. All right, and so this will last me for about 2 days, and then after the second day, I'll just put the rollers again. I would not really do it on that twist. I'll just put the rollers again. Or if I want to do it on that twist, I will, but it'll be more of a big twist, because now I already have like the definition of what I want. So. Ready? All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope that kind of helps you to figure out a nice style to do with your natural hair, because I understand that natural hair sometimes can be pretty difficult to maintain and to make it look, you know, really good for work. So I hope that really helps you out a lot. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, love, and share, or like and share, love and share. It's all the same thing. Love and share, comment, subscribe. Thank you all, and I hope that you have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Oh, Jesus, this light is like bright in my face. Ooh. All in the name of doing hair video. Okay, people, let's do this.